afternoon, Mrs. Cotton. This is my reporting for Group 1. Accentuate the positive. Even a letter that has to say no can be written from a positive point of view. Make it an absolute rule never to start end your letter with a negative whenever possible. Avoid words with a negative connection such as argument, careless, complaint, disagreeable, error, neglect, and unfair such as agreement, careless, compare positive, go out to you as soon as thank you for your order, and compare merchandise well. So negative, we regret to inform you that we will not be able to ship your order until number 1, make your letter smile. A business letter should leave a pleasant impression. Gets a smile into your letter, a bit of your personality at atmosphere of goodwill. A sour letter picked with attitude, complaining undertone is comparable to a surly manner in your conversation. Some pairs have a built-in smile. Here are some friendly pairs that you can and should use freely. We shall be glad. It is a pleasure. Thank you. We appreciate very much with our complainants. So dira akong convince ka ng akong explanation. This means that your writing should be engaging and create a vivid experience for the reader. The goal is for the reader to feel what you say and visualize themselves interacting with the subject matter. The examples given: running a machine, telling his friends about his drums, selling more accounts, illustrates scenarios where the reader can imagine themselves experiencing the benefits of action described in the text. Essentially, it's about using described language to create a mental picture and an emotional connection for the reader. Make your copy live. The reader should feel what you say. If possible, create a visual experience. Let the leader see himself doing something, running a machine, telling his friends about his triumphs, selling more accounts. Reinterpreted the same copy. So make your copy live means writing to create a vivid sensory experience for the reader, allowing them to visualize and feel what you're describing rather than just reading words.